स्वागत नहीं करोगे अब हमारा?
3, 2, 1, and we have with us Daisy Shah here in Melbourne after a fantastic performance at the Dabang Tour Hangama. Daisy, in fact, our coverage on hashtag Dabang Tour Hangama is trending on #1 right now.
Yay!
So you can check out all your videos and pictures and everything over there. How's been the experience? We spoke to you right before the first concert in Hong Kong, and now we're speaking to you after the fourth concert. Is it the best experience of your life? One of the best.
Yes, one of the best experiences ever. I mean, the amount of love that people show you, and you know, because it's live, you know, you get instant reaction from the people, and it's like, you know, like 9,000, 10,000 people screaming your name. It's a different high altogether, and this has been happening since last 4 shows.
Right.
So it's just like high on high on high on high.
Right. In fact, Daisy Shah, she's just getting younger and more prettier, and I think it's the absolutely right time for people to have just witnessed her magic. You know, there's a lot of grace in the way you dance. I'm being extremely honest. बहुत ही graceful होता है आपके dance performance में. एक जिसको कहते हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं you consider it as an art form. For you, dancing is an art form.
For me, dancing is a stress buster. So when I dance, I don't really think about people around me. I just dance my heart out. That is what about it. So it's like if I have to do one घटिया step also, I'll rather do it with full heart. तो भले घटिया को भी अच्छा बना देंगे फिर हम लोग.
Right. खैर वो आपका मतलब अच्छा मतलब अपन है, आप इस तरीके से कह रही हैं. You were absolutely grace personified. This is Mridul Paul. You are looking very beautiful.
Thank you.
Anushka Singh, you are doing a new movie.
I am actually. You know, Ram Ratan is the next release.
Okay. Sikandar Mirza, please say my name, please.
Hi, Sikandar Mirza.
Okay. सद्दाम खान ने आपका नाम का पूरा देसी
मतलब मैं चलेगा, हम देसी है. देसी भी है, देसी भी है.
Love you, Daisy. You are too cute, and 10 times more love for Salman bhai.
100 times more love, dear. 100 times.
Okay, the concert was so wonderful. I'm waiting for Salman to come live. I'm from Melbourne. So he was live here. Which show you like the best and which place you like? Okay, Frishta, Kareem, Bakshi. That's a good question. Which of the shows did you feel that were the best?
Personally, I feel Hong Kong was the best show. That's because we had, like, all the shows were in closed places. The Hong Kong show was the only one which was, you know, outdoor. It was an open concert. So, and like people were jumping out of their chairs. मतलब chairs कहीं और है, लोग कहीं और है. मतलब so you know, it's like we are entertaining people out there, but they were entertaining themselves also. So that was the best thing.
Okay, someone was, I think they had a good question, but it just simply just...
Picture साफ नहीं आ रही, आप अपना नेटवर्क चेक करो please. हरीश राठौड़.
Yeah, I think बाकी सबको आ रहा है. Hello, I'm from Balochistan. Please, my name. तो बलूचिस्तान तक में लोग.
Riaz Baloch.
Yeah. What's the name of your next movie? She is Ram Ratan.
It's Ram Ratan.
Okay. Will you interview Manish Paul? I've already done that.
Yes.
What a cute reply. What's
Dasi. Oh, I love the name. तुम लोग मतलब जो बैंड बजाते हो ना मेरे नाम की.
Rajendra Prasad, you are looking so stunning. So I think.
Thank you.
सलमान भाई कहाँ है? Daisy Shah.
अपने रूम में है वो.
How does it feel to share space with other actresses?
We all were immensely together, and everybody had their own songs to dance with. Plus, again, it's a great thing. मतलब लोगों को लगता है कि मतलब heroines की आपस में बनती नहीं है. Please, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. We really like each other. We really adore each other.
Okay. Now, one more thing, Daisy. The way Salman Khan performed today, I think he and throughout the concert tour, I think he was outstanding.
He was on a different level today. Yeah. I mean, in fact, I told him when I met him after his performance, I was like, oh my God, how good you were looking today. And then he gave me the look. It's like, no, obviously he looks good every time, but today he was looking extra good.
Right, and you're performing with him as well, and those that एक तो वो गुजराती आपका जो number है, which is I think
तू नहीं तो तारो फोटो.
Yeah, and then that romantic number that you guys have, which is तेरे नैना. Many people would want to see you back with Salman Khan once again. Is it something that you have discussed with Salman?
Wait for it. Since we had this The Bang tour, there is a news gonna come with a bang.
Rajendra Prasad, you are a great actress, madam.
Thank you.
All right, so Daisy has to quickly go for a meet and greet as well. So Daisy, thank you very much for your time, thank you for all the entertainment,
thank you.
and all the best wishes for Ram Ratan and all your future ventures.
Thank you so much.
That you keep on getting younger and prettier. There's no one is complaining.
I think I'm having the best body of my lifetime right now, and I have literally struggled for like 4 years to get my weight down. But trust me, on the weighing scale, I've hardly lost like 5 kilos.
Cuteness is overstuffed in you. You have a beautiful smile. Lots of love.
Thank you.
So I think she's having a good time completely. Thank you very much, Daisy. And thank you very much. And congratulations once again. In fact, we've been trending on Twitter, Dabang Tour Hangama.
You know what, Faridu, I'm just going to say. You have been talking about everybody on this tour. This man deserves an applaud also, because he's been with us and he's been capturing all the moments with the show and everything. So Faridu, this is for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Alright, so that's all we have from Bollywood Hungama here in Melbourne, and all I can say is keep on watching.
स्वागत नहीं करोगे हमारा?